Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a scatter plot in my Open Math and how to draw the line of best fit on the same plot. Okay, so the first thing I recommend doing is, even though you don't have to, but I want you to go ahead and just copy the data into Desmos and generate the plot just for yourself to make sure that it looks like what you would draw. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight the points, copy paste them here. And then I think I need to zoom fit this so I can see what it looks like. And I'm also going to draw the line. So I just click on add regression and it adds the regression line. And then I am going to see if I can plot it here. So let me just put them side by side and I can start plotting the points. Okay, so first I select, the point tool is already selected. So you go 8, 9, and just make sure you place the dot right on the intersection between the grid lines. So don't place it a little off because it's going to mark it wrong. And then 7, 9. So that would be right. See how I didn't place it correctly, but I can move it around, right? So I just want to make sure that when I move it, it's right on the grid. Okay, so next is 7, 6. Next is 9, 9. 4, 5. Then you got 10, 10, so that's right here. You got 5, 6, 9, 8, and then 10, 9, and finally 8, 7. Okay, so that's the plot, but I also have to draw the line. So how do I do that? So first of all, I need to switch to the line tool. And I need 2 points that would belong to this graph, okay, to the black line, okay, so because the line is determined by 2 points. So if I were to make it larger, so I could probably pick this point because it's close enough to an integer, and maybe pick a point right here. I think I can do that. So let's see, what are the coordinates of this point? So this would be corresponding to 8, and looks like this is also 8. Okay, so let me go with 8, 8. So I'm going to place that here. But remember, you have to switch to the line first. And then the second point, I think it's close to 5, 6. So I'm going to go 5, 6. So somewhere here. You don't have to be exact, but it should look very similar in terms of the position of the points. Like this point is a little bit above the line, so that should happen. And then you are ready to submit. Now, by the way, if you ever made a mistake, and for example, you placed one of the points, so you may be wrong, you can change it, right? You can hover over it. Well, right now, oh, see how I placed an extra line in there? I can just grab it and grab it like off the grid, and it's gonna disappear. See, I got rid of it. And the same thing with the point. So you have to switch to the point first. But let's just say you wanted to get rid of this. You could just drag it off the grid and it's going to go away. Let me place it back in here. Okay.